It can be an embarrassing thing when your home smells like a dump. Although many people avoid discussing this topic, they will pretend their home is okay when it is awful, as some may feel too embarrassed to admit that their homes have an offensive odor. In addition, the task may seem challenging, and they may want to avoid the job or outsource it. Here at FastKlean, we provide simple and affordable solutions to household cleaning problems such as indoor smell. Rather than using deodorizing or air freshener, which can be a temporary fix and costly, we can opt for natural methods, which are environmentally friendly and provide a more permanent solution. Let us help you make your home more comfortable and remove any stubborn smells that may be lingering in the air by following the simple approaches below. Are you ready? Here is the 6 simple ways to remove offensive smell in your home. Number 1. Clean your trash cans. Trash cans placed inside and outside the home can constitute a permanent smell in your home if you do not clean your trash can properly. You can avoid such an offensive smell emanating from the trash can by always taking out the garbage, washing the garbage can regularly, and using a homemade solution of lemon, baking soda, or scented cat litter at the bottom of your trash can. You can comment below and share your experience if you have tried any of these solutions with your trash can. In all you do, always take out the trash, especially the kitchen trash can, and it should not stay more than a day in the house. Number 2. Manage your kitchen properly. Another source of odor in your home may come from leftovers from your kitchen sinks and tables. When you cook and wash, some of the food material may get stuck in the kitchen table or sink, and over time, may decompose and smell awful. Washing your sink after doing the dishes, or cleaning your table after cooking may not readily remove all the food items and leftovers. To achieve effective cleaning, and remove every food item hanging on your sink and table, use vinegar and lemon solution to remove any form of dirt that will cause a smell in the house. Number 3. Clean your refrigerator with vinegar solution. You store different foodstuffs and items in your refrigerator, which may spill on the shelves and counter and cause offensive odors. We understand that the refrigerator may not be part of your to-do list when cleaning your home, but you prioritize and use an appropriate homemade solution to kill off the odors in your fridge. For example, when you clean your freezer, we recommend you use vinegar solution and warm water, which will thoroughly clean off the stains and completely replace the smell with the natural solution. However, you can create a more permanent solution to curb the smell of foodstuff and other items from the refrigerator by placing a small dish of cotton balls in the extract at the back of your fridge. This small dish will capture all the offensive odors without causing any other side effects. But it would be best if you replace this dish regularly when they dry to maintain this freshness from your refrigerator. Number 4. Get rid of toilet odors. You do not have to wait to see physical stains in your toilet before you wash them, and you should clean your bathroom every day if possible. You should know that spills occur when you flush, and droplets of waste may stick on the toilet when you are done. And these spills and the leftover droplets will constitute smells that will cover the home if not taken care of on time. And for these reasons, you have to wash your bathroom regularly, or use a strong natural solution that can kill off these odors quickly. So don't just look at your sparkling clean toilet and feel that it is completely clean. Go ahead and do your routine cleaning regardless. Get a good cleaning gel and use a mixture of bleach with water to clean your toilet, as this will kill germs and smell from your toilet. Number 5. Don't pile up laundry. Piling up laundry can constitute smell in your home and even make the work more tedious for you. Some are too lazy to do their laundry and prefer to leave and pile them up rather than washing regularly. The pile-up of dirty clothes will cause a smell in your home, especially if your work clothing is all sweaty and dirty. One way to get rid of this smell is to do your laundry regularly and not leave clothes to pile up for days in your home. Also, it would be best to get a laundry basket where you can easily store your dirty clothes, rather than dropping them all over the place. Number 6. Treat your mattress once in a while. The mattress is one of the items in the home we do not give much attention to while cleaning or considering the refreshing smell in our house. However, you use the mattress almost every day, and over these periods, they would have accumulated a lot of sweat, dirt and dust that would have accumulated over time. The sweat, dirt and dust will cause a smell unless you treat it accordingly, and this does not require much, to be honest. Sprinkle the baking soda on the mattress and allow it to settle for a while before you vacuum to remove dirt, dust and moisture. After this treatment, your bed will smell fresh like new, and you should do this regularly to maintain an appealing smell in your home. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.